Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for June and I've got Cohorted, and inside this box are all products from the brand Delilah. So if you're new to Cohorted and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But as always, if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. Cohorted is voted the #1 UK luxury beauty box. It's a monthly subscription box that works a month in advance. It costs £39.99 a box, free shipping within the UK, and yes, it ships worldwide, but shipping is calculated at checkout for anyone out of the UK. If you were to subscribe now, your first box will be your July box. So the only way you'll be able to receive the box that I'm showing you is to purchase it as a one-off box for £50. They're usually released towards the middle of the month onwards. So if it's available, you'll find it down below in my description. And I forgot to say as well that Cohorted currently have a code. If you're new to subscribing, if you use code Cohorted Gift Me, you'll receive a free beauty product with your first box. I hope that still works. I'll pop it down there anyway. Try it if you want to subscribe, but if not, then I'm really sorry, but fingers crossed it does work. All the boxes have a value of over £100. The sneak peek for July, which I'm really excited about, is Esper. So we're getting 6 products in Cohorted beauty boxes next month, and they're all Esper products. You can go onto their website. I will put a link to next month's box down below, but it won't tell you everything that's in there, but it'll just give you a bit of information about the background. So if you do want to subscribe and receive the box, then you have to subscribe in June to be able to get it. Some people I know prefer the way Cohorted used to do their boxes, but I do know a load of you do like this one brand takeover type box, because it gives us a chance to try the products from brands that we might be familiar with, or like me, I'm only familiar with lip liners and maybe eyeliners, I can't remember now. So it's exciting to try products from brands that I don't know much about. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, then please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside this box. So inside we get a card and it tells you who's packed it for you. We hope you enjoy your beauty box. This month your box was handpicked with love by Gemma. Thank you, Gemma. It looks like here. So we get a card, and we've got a QR code there, so I'll find out more about the products in the box when I do that. But does it? No, it doesn't say how much it's worth, but it will do when I scan it. Oh my gosh, look! Look! Oh, I'm a sucker for packaging. I think that's an eyeshadow palette, but I'll just give you a sneak peek. Well, there's quite a few products in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The box value is £136. And then it goes on to telling you about each product individually. Yeah, look, that's a sneak peek for next month. Hold on, if I just turn off the light a minute. There. Can you see better? So we've got an Esper box coming next month. I am so excited about that. There's a load of award-winning products here, 2020 award winners. Let's start though with a sneak peek that we had last month. And it's the eyeshadow palette. Look at this gorgeous little pouch. It's cute, isn't it? It's really cute. Now, if you are familiar with Delilah makeup, please let me know what your favourites are, and especially if they're not in this box, if there's anything that you think, oh Claire, you've really got to try it, please let me know. Comment down below. Oh, look, you've got a mirror there, but look at those colours. When I first saw it, I thought, oh my gosh, this is like my perfect palette. The reason why, it's got a black. Absolutely love a black, really handy because you can intensify your looks really easily. We've got a pale matte sort of base shade. Then we've got these gorgeous like taupe shades there, which are beautiful. Are they matte? Yeah, so matte and shimmery. And then there's burgundy as well. Oh my gosh, it's just such a gorgeous palette with and then warmth then with a copper. There's 3 mattes, that one there and these 2 there. But let's try some. Oh, I hope. I love it. Just give you an idea of what the shades look like. Yeah, that burgundy is beautiful. This is a full-size eyeshadow palette and it retails for £34. A collection of 9 rich warm shades of bronzes, golds, chocolate browns, presented in a beautifully crafted rose gold compact and wrapped in a protective velvet pouch. Expertly edited, the Colour Intense eyeshadow palette is your one-stop wardrobe for show-stopping eyeshadows. Create low-key looks or build to dramatic intensity. Each shadow is formulated with micro pigments for lasting wear, intense colour payoff, and that blend seamlessly for a professional finish. So we've got an eyeshadow palette there. All the products are vegan and cruelty-free, dermatologically tested, paraben-free, and yeah, there's lots of extra information there. And the founder, makeup artist Rupert Kingston as well. Next up, we've got an eyeshadow brush. And again, it's in a gorgeous little pouch. You can see there. So it's a flattish, fluffy brush. That's really nice. It's perfect for both cream and powder eyeshadow formulations. The rounded soft shape also makes it ideal for blending and contouring around the eye area. Each brush has been hand cut to shape with an FSC approved wooden handle, and it is beautifully packaged in a soft velvet pouch. It's got an eyeshadow brush. Next up, we've got an eyeliner. This is a long wear retractable pencil and in shade Twig. So there. And look, you've got a little sharpener at the end there, which is handy. So let's try a little bit on my hand. Oh, that's lovely, really nice and soft. Now I know for sure I've tried their lip liners, but I wonder if I've tried the eyeliners too. That's really, really nice and soft. Yeah, that's a beautiful pencil, and it's nice that it's in brown as well, because we always get black, don't we? This eyeliner retails for £20. Eyeliner is a long wearing waterproof eyeliner with a built-in sharpener. The super soft, creamy texture has intense colour and glides beautifully onto the eyes without smudging or fading for up to 12 hours. At the other end, the cap pulls out to reveal a sharpener for precision application, I should say. So we've got an eyeliner. Oh, and I'm not sure if it's nominated or won the Beauty Bible Awards 2022. It doesn't say, it just says Beauty Bible Awards 2022, look, in the corner. Next, we've got a mascara. This is Definitive Volumizing and Defining Mascara. You might not be able to read anything there. Anything metallic, and it's just pointless with a ring light. This is in black. A nice big brush there. Grab your lashes. This mascara retails for £24. This Definitive mascara has an innovative and uniquely Y-shaped brush that allows the lashes to become dramatically defined and voluminous with just a few strokes. The formulation itself contains a stretchable film that helps to lengthen and define each lash, while olive waxes give a soft, voluminous look. Achieve full, dramatic, defined lashes with just a few sweeps of the brush. Wow, mascara. Next we've got something for the brows. This is Brow Shape Defining Brow Gel in shade Sable. It might be tinted. Yes, it is. It's a teeny tiny little brush there for your brows. I'll just drag it on my hand just so I can show you the shade. It's like medium brown. This has also won or been nominated for the Beauty Bible Awards 2022, and it retails for £18. Creating a one-step solution for defining, shaping and filling the brows, the Precision Micro Brush has been designed to naturally tint and tame unruly brow hair. This long-wearing smudge-proof gel is perfect for filling in small gaps on sparse eyebrows, leaving them naturally defined and beautifully conditioned. Brow gel. And then lastly, we've got a brow pencil. This is Browline Retractable Eyebrow Pencil, again in shade Sable. So on one end, we've got a little brush there, and on the other, the pencil. And again, this one has been either nominated or won the Beauty Bible Awards 2022. Oh, that's nice actually. I was expecting it to be really dark. You can get a different depth of shade depending on how hard you press it. This eyebrow pencil retails for £20. Brow Line is a retractable eyebrow pencil that is so easy to use. The narrow nib is perfect for creating high definition brows with a natural hair-like look. The pencil itself is quite firm, making Brow Line very forgiving. With a built-in brush at the other end, the perfect eyebrow really is achievable. So there's that. And then we usually get a freebie. We've got a little perfume here. This is by JUS. Is it Super Crush Perfume, 2 mils? I can't read it. La Maison Juice. I don't know. You might be more familiar. Before I spray it on me, let's have a whiff. Poo-wee. That is really smelly. Oh, wow. It's not a perfume for me. It's really strong. It's quite powerful perfume, if that makes sense. Can't tell you about it. Doesn't say anything on the app, I don't think. But yeah. Oh, but yeah, it's nice to try these things, isn't it? So there we go. So those are all the products in the box. I'll just go through them all one by one, giving you a bit of a recap. So you've got an eyeshadow palette with a little pouch. We've got a black mascara with a unique wand. We've got an eyeshadow brush. We've got a retractable eyeliner pencil in brown. I can't remember the name of the shade now. Then we've got a brow liner in sable. Then we've got a brow gel, a tinted brow gel in shade sable. And lastly, the perfume sample from JUS in Sexy Crush. Cost of the box is £39.99 for a subscription, but if you want it as a one-off box, then it will cost you £50 and it has a value of £136. I cannot wait to use the products. The eyeshadow palette, you know, is beautiful, really great shades. The brow gel might be a little bit too dark for me, but we'll see. The brow pencil though, that is lovely. I really like the small nib. I'll be able to get in there. Yeah, the mascara and the eyeliner as well, and the makeup brush. That brush is lovely. I'm really happy with this box. So thank you to Cohorted for sending this out to me. I'm really, really grateful. But I'd love to hear your thoughts, especially if you have tried makeup products from Delilah before. I'd love to hear what you think of it as a brand, or have you tried any of these products before? What do you think of them? Or are you watching this for the first time, learning all about Delilah, wondering, shall I, shan't I, for the one-off box, or even subscribe to get the July Esper box? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. Take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.